is the operator of an online marketplace on which advertisements for the sale of goods or the provision of services are published, liable for the personal data published there? And what are its obligations? This is the question answered by the Court of Justice in today's Ground Chamber judgment in the case Russmedia Digital and Inform Media Press. The case came before the court following a request for the interpretation of EU law from a Romanian Court of Appeal. That Romanian court is hearing an appeal by a woman against Russmedia, the operator of a Romanian online marketplace, which published an advertisement on its website falsely presenting that woman as offering sexual services. This defamatory advertisement, which had been placed on the site by an anonymous advertiser without the woman's consent and published by Russmedia without any verification, contained photos of her as well as her telephone number. When contacted by the woman, Russmedia removed the advertisement within an hour of receiving the request. However, the advertisement had already been reposted on other advertising websites, where it remained accessible. The woman therefore turned to Russmedia, seeking damages for the publication of the defamatory advertisement. In its ruling, the court held that the website operator is the personal data controller for the personal data contained in the advertisements it publishes. Therefore, this operator must identify inter alia any advertisements that contain sensitive personal data, such as those appearing in the advertisement in question, and this prior to publication. For such advertisements, the operator must verify that the advertiser is indeed the person whose data appears in the advertisement. If this is not the case, the operator must refuse to publish the advertisement, unless the advertiser can demonstrate that the person concerned has given their explicit consent to its publication. The operator must also implement technical measures to prevent published advertisements containing sensitive personal data from being copied and published illegally on other websites.